Today, we're going to show you how to fix your Weber grill igniter. So this is on a Weber Genesis 2. This is going to work for most of the Weber Genesis line. So if your igniter is not working, most of the time, that's because your battery has gone out. So on these, there's either two options. Sometimes the battery is underneath this cover, but this is a Genesis 2, so it's not. If it is, you just unscrew this and you can access the battery and replace it there. However, on the Genesis 2, most of these have a battery that is located down below here. So we've got our battery over here, and if your igniter is not working, what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this cap right here, and then there is your battery. Okay, so we need to get a new battery. We're going to swap it in for a new one now. We put our new battery in, and you want to make sure that the positive side goes inwards into the hole there, and then you've got your cap and the negative side is out. You just screw that back on right there, and now that's screwed in. So let's see if our igniter works. All right, you can hear that right there. Our igniter is working again. So if you have a Weber Genesis igniter that is not working, this is where I would start. Replace the battery on your Weber Genesis 2 grill in the igniter, and then that's going to be where you start. Most of the time, I'd say 90% of people, it's just they have a dead battery. The igniter isn't actually bad, and it just takes a AA battery. I've also used rechargeable batteries in there, and that is fine as well. So as long as you've got a AA battery, it's going to work in your grill igniter. And this is a Weber Genesis 2 GS4. The Genesis lineup has been going for a long time. Great grills. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.